Every area within the building has a different spray finish. The main office is K13 Special in light grey, as we wanted a sprayed concrete feel to go with the sort of Manhattan loft factory feel. Going into the meeting room, we've used K13 Special in white in a coffer with SonaSpray FC on the underside, using our Oscar EvoBlade razor edge trim, which makes the 15mm of SonaSpray FC plus the plasterboard look wafer thin like a sheet of paper. Really elegant. Even the toilets have got Oscar Elite acoustic plaster in, using our EvoBlade finish as well in a raft system. The warehouse has got K13 and K13 Special in. We'll be focusing a lot on warehouse acoustics this year. We think it's important to be able to hear warnings, hear fork trucks coming, and if you've got ear defenders on, you can't necessarily hear that. Acoustic spray solves that. The lobby has got K13 Black on the ceiling, and then has also got our Shroud finish SonaSpray FCX on the underside of the mezzanine. But most exciting of all, we've created an ear sculpture out of pure SonaSpray. This has been sprayed as thick as a mattress, and then we carved the ear out of that SonaSpray and then sprayed it over with a nice tight coat. That's now a feature on the wall in our atrium and looks excellent, whilst also adding to the acoustic performance of what would normally be quite a reverberant space.